In Arcot, the journey towards Vision 2023 started on 9 May 2013 after the biomethanation plant was inaugurated by Honorable Tamil Nadu Chief Minister Dr. J. Jayalalitha. From that day on, the achievements made in Arcot in solid waste management gradually are as noted below. The very first step, source segregation by door-to-door collection, practiced in 14 wards. Next to the source segregation at the household level, the biodegradable waste like vegetables, rotten fruits, hotel waste, chicken, mutton, fish wastes are collected separately. Moreover, these are used for production of biogas in the biomethanation plant. The biogas from the plant is used for production of electricity, and the same is used for illumination of street lights in Arcot. Now, for the first time in India, the modernized smart deep collection bins are installed in Arcot at various locations, and this type of new waste collection bin is introduced by EcoGarb International. In the older type of waste collection bin, only 500 kgs can be loaded at one complete filling cycle. So, the bins are to be unloaded very frequently without fail. At any point, if it is not possible, there may be nuisance of mosquito, dengue-like diseases spread to the people. But deep collection bins, which are installed in each location by EcoGarb International, can be filled up to 5.5 tons in one complete filling cycle. These bins are categorized into three as follows. For collecting biodegradable waste, green lidded bin is provided. For paper and other inert material, yellow lidded bin is provided. And exclusively for plastic waste, blue lidded bins are provided. These types of bins encourage the people for source segregation. Moreover, the bins are unloaded when they reach 80% load by using fill level monitoring system. These monitoring systems give alert to the vehicle and the administrators simultaneously. The smart vehicle maintained by EcoGarb International is fitted with a crane for lifting the bag from the bin, and the tipper provision is also available in the smart vehicle for unloading the garbage loaded in the vehicle. The smart vehicle can be loaded up to 12 tons per trip. The smart vehicle is fitted with rooftop sliding door, and spilling of garbage is avoided. Because of the highest capacity of the bins, the frequency of unloading is reduced, and thereby total maintenance cost for removal of garbage is reduced to 1/3 of the present scenario. Totally, the deep collection bins by EcoGarb International maintains the health and sanitation. There won't be any chance for dengue-like diseases in Tamil Nadu. Thus, EcoGarb International crosses the first step of Vision 2023 to achieve zero garbage in Arcot.